Now, allow me to refresh your pot-addled minds as to where we are in our story. My name is Terrence. I am a novelist. My latest book is called The Tobacconist. If you have not read it, please do so. I understand that if you talk to the internets, they will send it to you. Recently, in my study, I discovered a large typewritten tome, an immense play that I realized had been mysteriously written by my lost cat's twitters. There were two characters in the play, Bab and Dan.
I have a vagina!
I'm so happy you have a vagina.
Who would say the oddest things. It would go on like this for a long time.
Ponies make me horny!
Somebody bring me a pony.